Atomy is not a credit card. It is a buy now, pay later. It doesn't need a lot of requirements and proof of income. One valid ID lang ang kailangan. Hassle-free and mabilis mag-approve. It has a spending limit up to 200,000 pesos. Pwede ka rin dito mag-cash advance up to 50,000 pesos. Number one advantage is the convenience because it has installments options. Pwede ito magamit sa online and physical stores like Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop, Watsons, malls, fast food like Jollibee, Foodpanda, Meralco, Travel, and Hotels. Ang kagandahan dito, may mga pa-discounts sa lahat ng partner shops ni Atomy like Watsons. Pwede mo rin magamit ang Atomy to build credit score pag mag-a-apply ka na ng traditional credit card para malaman nila na okay ka magbayad. For repayment method, pag GCash 15 pesos ang charge and pag 7-Eleven walang charge. Marerecommend ko ito sa mga may work or kayang mag-align ng budget for monthly bills. Not recommendable sa mga walang work, possible kasi malubog kayo sa utang, lalo na kung di nyo kayang mag-budget. It has no interest sa unang buwan, but if you extend the repayment duration up to 3 to 6 months, it has high interest. Tandaan, hindi natin ito pera. Pinahiram lang sa atin ito. Use it wisely. Kumaskas lang sa kayang bayaran monthly. Sa mga gustong mag-apply, i-click nyo lang po yung link sa bio ko or sa comment section. Lost the chance to win an iPhone 15 after you apply. Try it now. Good luck!